Hi students, good morning to you. Yesterday we have gone through the dimension for a physical quantity and I have shown you how to find out the dimensional form. Today we are going to discuss some of the problems which is given in table 1.11 dimensional formula. So how we can derive, how we can find the dimensional formula for all the derived quantities. That is what you can see the page number 31, table 1.11. Here there are so many derived quantities and its expression. Then dimensional formula. Now I am going to show you how you can derive this, how you can find the dimensional formula for all these physical quantities. I will show you some examples from the textbook. I will show you how to solve the dimensional formula, how to find out the dimensional formula of these derived quantities. I will show you some example. It's your duty to learn by doing. So listen carefully. First quantity, the first physical quantity you can see is area. So first one is area. First one is what? Area means what is the formula? Is length into breadth. So length into breadth. This all we know. Area formula is what? Expression is length into breadth. Length means what? Length means what? One dimension. Breadth also what? One dimension. Suppose we are measuring this room. We are measuring the length and this breadth. So we can mention this is also length. This is also length. This is also length. So when you are measuring one room, you are measuring the breadth, you are measuring the height, you are measuring the depth, anything you are measuring, what is that? Just one length only. So you can write the dimension. Length means what? L. Breadth means what? Again you can use what? Say L. So L into L. L into L. L square. This is what? Dimensional formula for area. Now the second one is volume. Volume. Volume formula is what? Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So again you see length, breadth, height. Again this length, that length and this length. So again what we can use? L into B into S. So dimension L into what? L. So you can get what L into L into L is L cube. L into L into L. What is that? L cube. How you know? You all know. I think lower grade you have learned about this. So here one is there, here one is there, here one is there. So L 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is what we are getting what? L cube. Here also. Here one is there, here one is there. So what will come? L power 1 plus 1. So L square. So here also what? L cube. This is how we have to find out how we are finding the dimensional formula. Next example, density. Next problem is what? Density. Density means what is the formula? Mass per volume. Density means what? Mass per volume. So mass per volume. So volume means what? Again, volume expression is what? L into B into H. So M divided by L into B into H. Now write the dimensional formula. M only. L means what? L. B means what? Again the same length, okay? So L. Height again. Now you see, here you can see mass divided by L into L into L. What is that? L into L into L is L cube. So L cube into, so mass divided by L cube. You put it inside or outside, no problem. Now when you are taking this L cube upside, what will come? L cube when you are taking upside, it will change as -3. So M L power -3. What is the answer? M L -3. Understand? You see the textbook table 1.11, area, volume, density, area L square, volume L cube, and density what? M L power -3. Now the next example is what? Velocity. Next problem is velocity. Listen, velocity. Velocity formula is what? Velocity formula is displacement by time. Displacement means what? Length. Again what? Length. So L time T equal to, here T power 1 is there, take this upside, L T power -1 equal to L T power minus in a single bracket. This we are writing out in a single bracket. Next one is next problem. Acceleration. So fifth one, acceleration formula is what? Change in velocity divided by time. So change in velocity divided by time. What is now here? This is a derived quantity, note. This is a fundamental quantity. Now we can't derive this. Here you see change in velocity. There is a derived quantity. So what you have to do means, again you have to split. What is the expression used for change in velocity? What are? Yes. Displacement by time. Here already one time is there into time. This is what? This is what? Displacement by time, change in velocity. Here time already it is there. Now what? Use the dimension. Displacement of L. T again into T. So what is the answer? What is the answer? L divided by T into T. A1 is there, A1 is there. What will come? 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So T power 2. What is the answer will come? What answer will come? L. Take T square outside. T power equal to what? L T power minus 2. This is what? Acceleration dimensional formula. You see? Acceleration formula is change in velocity by time. Here change in velocity is a derived quantity. So we have to use the expression change in velocity. Velocity means what? Displacement by time. Then this time. Now use the dimension. Displacement L time T, again time T. So T into T, T square. 1 plus 1, 2. Now this T square, you take it upside down. So what will come? T power minus 2. T power minus 2. Then put it in single bracket. So acceleration you got now. Now next one is what? Next one is momentum. Momentum. Listen here. 61. Momentum equal to what? Formula is mass into velocity. Momentum formula is mass into velocity. Now mass. You see, mass is a fundamental quantity, base quantity. But velocity is a derived quantity. So you have to use the expression. What expression? Velocity means what? Displacement by time. Displacement by time. Understand? Now mass. Use the dimension. Mass M. Displacement L divided by time T. Here T power 1, take it upside down. So M L T, take it upside down. T power minus 1. Here 1 is there. When it goes up, minus 1. Now equal to what now? Write in single bracket M L T power minus 1. This is what? Momentum. Next one is what? So understand mass into velocity. Write the expression for velocity. So displacement by time. Now what? Displacement. Mass means M. Displacement means L. Then time means what? T. Take this T upside. So T power minus 1. T power minus 1. So write it in single bracket. So next one is force. So second one, force. Force formula is mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. So mass is a base quantity. Acceleration is a derived quantity. What is the formula? Change in velocity by change in velocity by time. Now you see, again you can derive this mass into Change in velocity means what? What is the formula? Again, velocity formula is displacement by time. Okay. Then this time into now mass m. For mass m, displacement of L divided by T into T. So T. Now you see m L T into T, T square, so divided by T square. Now take this T square outside, so M L T square. So write in single bracket ML T power minus 2. Okay. So this is for force. Remember ml t power minus 2. So I believe that if I understood something, not something, I believe that you all understand how to find the dimensional formula. Now one or two few example, few problems from this table I will show you. Next one is work. You see, work. What is the formula is to find out work? Force into distance. Force into distance. Already we know force dimensional formula is what? M L T power minus 2. So M L T power minus 2. Otherwise, again what? This whole step we have to do. So you can write and do it. M L power L T power minus 2. Distance means what? Length. So L. Now separate this bracket. M L T power minus 2 L. Again L power 1, L power 1. L into L is what? L into L is L1, L power 1. So L into L is what? L square. So M L square T power minus 2. Always write in this order M L T. What are mass, length, time. So you got the what? Work is what? M L square T power minus 2. So again listen, work is force into distance. You know the formula for force. What is the formula? ML T power minus 2. So multiply this L into L. Then distance L into L is what? L square. Then in textbook, next one is power energy. All what are? You can find out the same way which I have taught here. Now I will show you next one. Pressure. Formula is what? Force by area. Pressure formula is force by area. Already you know force dimensional formula. Again, no need to do all the steps because what are? If you want, you can do, but now I will show you without all these steps. What is dimensional formula for the force? M L T power minus 2. So M L T power minus 2. Area means what? Area means length into breadth. Length into breadth. So M L. Separate this, split this. T power minus 2 divided by L. Again what? L. Now you see L what you can do? You can cancel. So what is remaining? M T power minus 2 divided by L. So take this L upside down. So what will come? Pressure equal to M equal to M T power minus 2. Take this L upside down. So L power minus 1. Now arrange and write M L power minus 1 T power minus 1. This is what dimensional formula for pressure or stress, you can tell. Again listen here. Pressure formula is force by area. Already we know force dimensional formula is ml T power minus 2. Otherwise you have to find out by using the expressions. Now area means what? Length into breadth. So you see, for the cancellation, split this into separate square bracket. So cancel this L and M. Now what? Here one L is there. So when this L come upside down, minus 1 will come. So what? M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Next one, magnetic induction. Magnetic induction you can see. Next is what? The surface tension, frequency, moment of inertia, moment of force, angular velocity. All the formula is given. So you can solve it by using the same method. This is your homework. You have to do. Everyone has to practice the whole table. You have to take your notebook, take your textbook, page number 31, 1.1. Do it one by one, the same method. Now, magnetic induction. You see, magnetic induction formula is what? Magnetic induction formula. Formula is force by current into length. Again force. Force means already you know the dimensional formula ml T power minus 2. Again no need to find out now. M L T power minus 2 divided by current. Current means what is the symbol we are using? A. So A. Then length L. Okay. Now split this for cancellation. M L T power minus 2 divided by A L. Cancel this L and L. Take this A upside. T power minus 2 A K1 is there. When it comes up, a power minus 1. So m e power minus 2 a power minus 1. So magnetic induction m t square t power minus 2 a power minus 1. You can see that on. Now one more last example. This is very important one. In exam also previously asked gravitational constant. So same method only. You see gravitational constant of formula is what? Force into distance square by mass square. You have to learn all the formula. It is very important to learn the formula. I told in previous video, you have to refer the page number 10 for learning all these formula. So, force already you know, m l t power minus 2. Distance square, distance length. So, l square divided by mass square, m square. Now, split this m L T square L square divided by m square. Cancel 1m here, 1m and m. Now L, here 1 is there, here 2 is there. So L 1 is there into L 2 is there. What will come? L power 1 plus 2. So L cube will come. So you see L cube T minus 2 divided by m. Now take this m upside. M power minus 1 L cube e power minus 2. Write in single bracket. M power minus 1 L cube e power minus 2. This is for gravitational constant of. Previously in exam also 3 mark question it is asked. It is very important question. Gravitational constant, how to find force into distance square by mass square. So force you can find by using the formula, force formula, mass into acceleration. If you know this dimensional formula, you can directly apply m t power minus 2 distance square L square divided by mass square m square. Now split this bracket for cancellation. So m and m cancel. Remaining here L power 1 L square. So L power 1 L square is what? L cube 1. So L cube 1 L into L cube t power minus 2 divided by m. Then take this m upside down. So m here 1 is there. When it goes up, minus 1, so m power minus 1, L cube e power minus 3. You can write up. Students, you can again, it's very important for you to solve by using this video. You can take a page number 31. It's homework for you. Table 1.1, all these physical quantity which is given in this table, you have to solve and you have to find the dimensional formula by using this method. Again, don't forget to do the homework. Everyone has to solve out all these problems. And thank you.